Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. This is Ashok from TechiBee and today we have our most awaited ROM for MI A1, which is known as Dirty Unicorn. And guys, this ROM is based on Android 8.1. These are the software information. Model number is MI A1, Android version is 8.1, and here you have AOSP security patch of 5th April 2018. Dirty Unicorn version is unofficial version 12.1. Before taking a look inside the ROM, first of all I would like to thank you guys for supporting us, and now our channel have reached 10k subscribers. Once again, thank you guys and keep supporting. Also let us know what new content you would like to see on this channel. We'll work out on that and start with some new content. So now moving on to the ROM. This ROM comes with a modded pixel launcher, which is Amazfad's pixel launcher, in which you can customize home screen, app drawer, app icon and miscellaneous, where you have option to add icons on the home screen. Talking about customization, this ROM comes with lots of customization options inside it. In setting panel you can find an option of dirty tweak, which says enhance your experience. Under this you have lots of options to customize like system, lock screen, status bar, navigation, multi-screen. Under system you get expanded desktop, miscellaneous and few options of power menu. So going under expanded desktop, here you can enable it, and after that you can use the complete screen. Under miscellaneous you have screenshot editor, in which you can just change the application. Power menu consists of few options like advanced reboot, screenshot. So I have enabled all these options. When I press the power button, you can see power off, reboot, advanced, screenshot options are available here. Under lock screen you have options of fingerprint preferences, in which you can enable or disable fingerprint authentication vibration. Then you have few options of lock screen items. Under status bar it gives you many options of battery, in which you can change the icon style. You can also enlarge the battery icon. From here you can also customize the clock on the status bar. Under navigation you have buttons, in which you can use volume keys to wake up, or you can also swap the volume buttons if the screen is rotated. Then you have navigation bar, in which you can enable navigation bar and change the height and the width of that navigation bar. Later part you have multitasking, which have few options like head-up notification, resense and ticker. So these are the customization options available under dirty tweaks. After going under display you have options of adaptive brightness, double tap to wake up on plug. You can also change the theme according to the wallpaper, or else you can manually change it to light or dark. You have lots of accent color options available here, and if you want to change the fonts you can change it from the display setting. You have ambient display, which includes new notification wake up. It also comes with the route management, but make sure you flash magic to make it work. Then under system you get gesture option, which includes swipe fingerprint for notification, and in this you have extra options like you can swipe towards the left and right to remove the notification. Then you have all the basic options which normally comes in every ROM. So guys, these were the things. Now talking about the benchmark results, I have used Geekbench application and Antutu Bench application. With Geekbench application, the scores are pretty low. In single core it scores 749, where in multi-core it scores 2227. In Antutu benchmark it scores 80,209. And now talking about the things. So guys, in this the issue what I have been facing was with the camera. So I have taken few pictures, and I'll show you one of the picture which I have taken using the back camera, and this is how you get the picture from back camera, but front camera is working fine. There are no issues with the front camera. Rest everything is working fine, like Volt services, you can make calls, and the data is also working properly. Now talking about the battery backup, in first cycle I got somewhere around 6 hours and 32 minutes of screen on time. And guys, talking about installation process, you can follow the video given in the description below. That's a dedicated video which I have made to install custom ROMs on MI A1. And if you have any kind of questions regarding this ROM, then do let me know in the comment section below. So guys, as of now only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video then do give me a thumbs up. Also if you are new to my channel then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.